This is the athletes village of چھنگ Universiad. The 31st FISU World University Games is currently underway in China's Chengdu. Today, I met some young athletes in the village. Let's hear what they have to say about the Universiad.
The University Games is a place where you can be seen. It's when you can meet other people from your sports and also from different sports as well. It's one of the rare places where you can actually be seen and compete on the big stage.
I can see like a lot of different athletes and different sports, and I cannot see these like at the World Championships.
It's really nice having so much team spirit all around us, and I think it's really unifying. Walk around, like people are so friendly, so nice. Like it's very energizing. Like everyone is trying their best to help, and you feel very welcome. So it just brings up this whole energy of kindness and goodness, and I really like that. Everyone here is super welcoming, and the environment in this village is super awesome.
I love Chinese food, and I've also tried, writing the Chinese characters, and I've also gotten a Chinese massage. I like it, and people here are very, very nice.
I know they're very famous for their pandas. We actually have, so I'm from Denmark, and in Copenhagen we have a zoo that has 2 pandas, and those are from Chengdu. And then, obviously all the traditional Chinese like cultural things, like all the embroidery, the paper cutting. I definitely want to try some hot pot, some spicy hot pot, because I've heard Chengdu has really good hot pot. Lifetime experiences, have a good time, hopefully, obviously compete well, but also to just get a lot of cultural experiences, meet new people from different countries. So many cultures gathered at one place.